When we visit places like London, we love to go and see the sights such as the London Eye, Covent Garden, Buckingham Palace, 10 Downing Street, and all these other places, the shops, etc. But we all need somewhere to stay when we're there. And I had the great privilege of filming this beautiful hotel called 100 Queensgate in Kensington. Beautiful, beautiful hotel, so much so that it had millions of pounds spent on it, refurbished in 2019. And of course it was a former residence of a Victorian aristocrat as well, which just brings it really, the history all together. And at the moment the hotel employs over 25 different speaking nationalities from around the world. But enough of me, I needed to show this because this is such a beautiful hotel. And I stayed there when we filmed this hotel, and trust me, this must be one of London's finest. So I'm going to hand you over now to Federico Ciampi, who is the Cluster General Manager for this hotel at 100 Queensgate. Enjoy.
My name is Federico Ciampi. I'm the Cluster General Manager at 100 Queensgate Hotel. Well, to stay with us is something truly unique. 100 Queensgate was a former residence of a Victorian aristocrat named William Alexander, and this hotel was stunningly refurbished into a lifestyle hotel back in 2019. Whilst you're here, you can eat, drink and relax either in our Botanica Afternoon Tea Room, really elegant space, or you can try some of our Italian dishes in our signature restaurant named Cento. Or if you want a cocktail, then why don't you go to ESQ Bar, a secluded bar located on the lower ground floor. We welcome guests from all over the world, and as well as our staff are from all over the world. We actually have over 25 nationalities within our team, all really driven to offer first-class service. From the moment you arrive, our concierge will welcome you through the door, and as well as our reception team will take you to the room where you can just sit and relax. And once ready, you can come and experience perhaps our afternoon tea, or you might want to have a curated experience outside the property. And once you come back, you can have a lovely cocktail made in our ESQ bar. The team is fully dedicated to your stay. Our 7 townhouses were actually built in the late 1800s by William Alexander, and he used this as his base for his adventurous travel throughout the world. He loved bringing back gifts and having collectible items throughout the estate. And in fact, while you're staying with us, you'll be able to see some of those, from Ming vases from China all the way to one of the oldest working coffee machines from Southern Europe. And if you're lucky, you might even have a first edition of Charles Dickens in our library. Whilst you walk through London, you might find some blue plaques outside some of the buildings. And those blue plaques will highlight that a famous personality has actually lived there in the past, really link that past to the present. There are over 900 of those in the capital, and 150 are actually in Kensington and Chelsea alone, where the hotel is located. We then decided to name some of our suites after some of those amazing personalities that lived here. From Alfred Hitchcock to Dame Agatha Christie, you'll be able to find out more about those amazing personalities as our concierge team has put together a curated experience for you. Right outside our property, there are some of the best attractions in the capital, from Kensington Garden and the Royal Parks, all the way to the Royal Albert Hall, the V&A Museum, or the National History Museum. If you're into shopping, you could go to Knightsbridge, with just a few stops away on the tube, and Harrods is there with his incredible boutiques. And you can carry on the journey through Piccadilly and Leicester Square and Trafalgar Square, where you can then also see Buckingham Palace and the London Eye, and really experience everything else that London has to offer. On your way back, once here, you can just sit and relax, perhaps have again your afternoon tea or another cocktail in our ESQ bar. We'll be here waiting for you.